The Great Wall of China stretches across mountains, deserts, and grasslands, standing as one of the most ambitious construction projects in human history and a lasting symbol of a civilization's determination to protect its people and define its borders. Rather than a single wall built at one moment in time, the Great Wall is a vast system of fortifications constructed, repaired, and expanded over more than 2,000 years. Its earliest sections date back to the 7th century BCE, when independent states built walls to defend their territories. After China was unified in 221 BCE under the first emperor of the Qin dynasty, these regional walls were connected and strengthened to protect the new empire from northern nomadic groups. Over the centuries that followed, successive dynasties, including the Han, Northern Wei, Northern Qi, Sui, and most famously the Ming, continued to build and rebuild the wall according to their military needs, available resources, and the geography of the land. The Great Wall was never intended to be an impenetrable barrier. Instead, it functioned as a complex defensive system that included walls, watchtowers, beacon towers, fortresses, and garrison stations. Soldiers stationed along the wall monitored movement across the frontier, controlled trade routes, and sent rapid signals using smoke by day and fire by night to warn of approaching danger. These signals could travel hundreds of kilometers in a single day, allowing the central government to respond quickly to threats. The wall also served economic and administrative purposes, regulating migration and trade along important corridors such as those connected to the Silk Road, which linked China with Central Asia and beyond. The materials used to build the Great Wall varied by region and era. In arid western areas, builders relied on tamped earth, layers of compacted soil mixed with gravel and reeds. In mountainous regions, local stone was used to create strong foundations. During the Ming dynasty, when the wall took on much of the form seen today, fired bricks and stone blocks were widely employed, making the structure more durable and imposing. The Ming sections were carefully engineered, with crenellations for defense, drainage systems to prevent water damage, and strategically placed towers that provided both protection and living quarters for soldiers. Constructing and maintaining the Great Wall required enormous human effort. Millions of soldiers, laborers, peasants, and craftsmen were involved across generations. Work was often harsh and dangerous, carried out in extreme weather and difficult terrain. Despite popular legends, historical records show that while the labor was demanding and costly in human lives, the wall was built through organized state systems rather than mythical practices. It stands as a testament to the administrative power and logistical capabilities of Imperial China. Today, the total length of the Great Wall system, including natural barriers such as rivers and mountains, measures more than 21,000 kilometers, according to a comprehensive survey released in 2012. Contrary to a common myth, the wall is not visible to the naked eye from the moon, but its scale and presence on Earth are undeniable. In 1987, the Great Wall was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its historical significance, architectural achievement, and cultural value. As centuries passed and China's borders and military strategies evolved, the Great Wall gradually lost its original defensive role. Yet its meaning only deepened. It has become a powerful symbol of perseverance, unity, and the enduring impact of history on the modern world. Winding across the landscape, the Great Wall of China tells a story not just of walls and warfare, but of human ambition, adaptation, and the long dialogue between civilization and the land it inhabits.